I'm going to talk about the condom. This condom? No. I'm going to talk about the USB condom. This USB condom will help you to save your mobile from the hacking when you travel. When you're traveling from trains, when you're traveling from airport, this condom will definitely help you, and I will show you what kind of cyber fraud happens when you don't use this kind of condom. So please watch my video till end. So after the lockdown, we all have started traveling. We all have to travel by train. We all have to travel by plane. So in this situation, we only have our mobile where we use to remove our loneliness. We just play the games, we watch movies, we download the movies, and we surf in the internet. So when we are in the flight, we just download the movies earlier, and then it will consume your mobile. So consumption of mobile means drainage of battery, and then you'll go to the airport places, you'll go to run places where you can charge your mobile. So this is the main trigger point. So when you'll go and when you'll try to charge your mobile, that means you will try at the places you will try to charge your phone at the airport, at the places where USB connection is available. As per the International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology, juice jacking was introduced in 2019 when many business enterprises, business people have lost their money without their consent, and when they have tried to identify what was the root cause of this theft, so they understood data transfer was the main root of this theft, and that is because of the juice jacking. Know that nowadays smartphone has two separable components. One is data cable and one is adapter. At the public places, when you keep your phone for a charging mode, there are high chances that your data get transferred. It sometimes even asks you for a permission whether you want to override, whether you want to allow the data to transfer, and sometimes in a rush we just grant permission in the device. So this kind of mistakes are also done by the people who were victim of this attack. And that time hacker will take an advantage of such situation and will transfer the important information from your device. As per the IRJET report, 45 to 50% public charging slot get affected. People also indicated that middle-aged business people were targeted for this kind of cyber criminal activities. Juice jacking, there are two types of hacking happens. One is data transfer and the second one is malware installation. So in data transfer, your entire information, your banking related information or whatever the information they have targeted is stolen by the hacker, and in the second is malware installation, where in the person's device any particular application has been installed, and whenever internet is connected, your entire information has been leaked to the hacker. Nowadays hackers are also aware that because of the introduction of power bank, many people are using power bank and they don't have to charge their phone at the public places. But then person who frequently travel to another places, who frequently goes for a business deals and to the different location, so he has to sometimes use the public places charger slot and he has to charge the phone. Now it's time to tell you how to prevent such kind of cyber fraud. So for this you have to use the USB condom, that is also called as a USB blocker, as this is easily available on the Amazon site. You just have to purchase. This will help you. You can connect it to the public place. Then this will help you to save your mobile from hacking, because it will not allow hacker to transfer any kind of data from your mobile device to their system. I will give you the link of this USB condom in the description, so you can purchase this USB condom if you are traveling frequently, and if any of your friend or family member is traveling, and if you want to give them, and if you want that their credential, their important information should not get leaked, so you can definitely give them. It is at a cheaper price, and it is very much important because we all save our banking related or important information in our mobile device. This is all about juice hacking and USB condom. So I have explained you about the one of the type of the cyber fraud, and also help you how to prevent this cyber fraud. I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and family who frequently travels, and please mention me in the comment if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for being with Honey and Tech. Jai Hind.